All right, so let's take a look at where we left off last time. So we created this window title button here. I'm going to right click and just hit edit and open this script up. We have a class that we defined. We have a couple object creations and function calls. And what's happening down here is if we take a look at it, we've set a window title to model loader. And we create a button that says load model, and we're on a window title button Python script. If we jump back in the editor and we hit execute, you can see here's load model and model loader. So let's talk a little bit about, well, when I click on this, how do I get it to do something? So just like other engines, you generally want to print stuff to the console just as a test. So I'm going to go ahead and clear my console down here and jump back into this script. All right, so the first thing we need is a reference to our button here. And what we're going to be checking is, was it clicked? And if it's clicked, we need to connect it to something. And generally, what you want to do is you want to connect it to some sort of method. So outside of this function here, we're going to define another method here. And we'll just say button underscore click. And I'm going to copy this. And what I want to do is inside of here, we're going to refer to the method that is located within the script called button clicked. So it's going to call this. Now I'm going to go ahead and put parentheses here, add a colon there. And inside of this, what we're going to be checking or passing into this is this button to check if it was clicked. So I'm going to copy this, and all I want to do is into that console, just like I said, other engines like Unity that you'll use debug.log or print. I'm just going to put clicked and then have an exclamation point there, and I'm going to save it. So just to kind of rehash, when I click this button, it's going to look for essentially this button clicked method, which is located here, and it's going to call it, and then it's going to say, oh, okay, you're passing in this value button, and then once that is pressed, we'll connect to this method and we'll print clicked to the console. So let's save that and go back into O3DE, and it looks like I've got this one I didn't close yet. I'm going to look for that, and I'm going to hit execute. Now nothing physically looks different because we didn't change any of the cute UI stuff, but when I click load model, notice down here it says clicked, and I click it again, it consistently works. So in the next video, we're going to take a look at expanding on this.